Welcome back. Now that you understand macronutrients, the big three that fuel your body, it's time to talk about the small but mighty players that keep everything running smoothly: micronutrients and hydration. If macronutrients are the engine of your body, micronutrients are the oil that keeps the engine running without friction. They don't provide energy directly, but without them, your body can't produce energy efficiently, repair tissues, or maintain strong immunity. Micronutrients include vitamins and minerals, and each one has a specific job. Together, they control metabolism, support your bones and muscles, regulate hormones, and keep your mind sharp. Let's start with vitamins. Vitamins are organic compounds your body needs in small amounts for various essential functions. They're divided into two groups: fat-soluble and water-soluble. Fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K are stored in your body's fat tissues and liver. Because they're stored, you don't need them every single day, but you do need to make sure they're part of your weekly diet. Vitamin A supports eye health, immunity, and skin repair. You'll find it in carrots, sweet potatoes, spinach, and eggs. Vitamin D helps absorb calcium and strengthens bones. You get it from sunlight and foods like salmon, fortified milk, and egg yolks. Vitamin E acts as a powerful antioxidant, protecting your cells from damage. It's abundant in nuts, seeds, and olive oil. Vitamin K is crucial for blood clotting and bone health. You'll find it in leafy greens like kale and broccoli. Next, we have the water-soluble vitamins, mainly the B vitamins and vitamin C. Because they dissolve in water, your body doesn't store them. You need a regular supply through food. The B vitamins, like B6, B12, niacin, and folate, play major roles in metabolism, nerve function, and energy production. Vitamin C strengthens your immune system, supports collagen production for healthy skin, and enhances iron absorption. You'll find it in citrus fruits, berries, and bell peppers. The takeaway? Fat-soluble vitamins build long-term resilience, while water-soluble vitamins keep your daily energy and immunity sharp. Now let's talk about minerals. Minerals are inorganic elements that your body needs for structure and regulation. Some are needed in larger amounts, called macrominerals, and others in trace amounts, called microminerals. Among the macrominerals, calcium, magnesium, and potassium are key players. Calcium builds strong bones and teeth and supports muscle contractions. It's found in dairy, fortified plant milk, leafy greens, and tofu. Magnesium helps with muscle relaxation, sleep, and nerve function. It's abundant in almonds, spinach, and whole grains. Potassium balances fluids and supports heart health. You'll find it in bananas, potatoes, and avocados. For microminerals, think iron, zinc, and selenium. Iron carries oxygen in your blood, found in red meat, beans, and lentils. Zinc boosts immunity and supports wound healing. Selenium acts as an antioxidant and supports thyroid health. Micronutrients often work together. For example, vitamin C helps your body absorb iron more efficiently. That's why eating a variety of colorful foods matters more than obsessing over single nutrients. Now let's shift to something equally essential: hydration. Water is often the most underrated nutrient. It's involved in nearly every process in your body, from digestion and circulation to temperature regulation and detoxification. Even mild dehydration can cause fatigue, headaches, poor concentration, and slower metabolism. So how much water do you really need? While it varies by person, a simple guideline is about 2 to 3 liters per day for most adults, more if you exercise regularly or live in a hot climate. You don't have to get it all from plain water. Herbal teas, fruits, vegetables, and even soups contribute to hydration. Foods like cucumbers, oranges, and watermelon are naturally hydrating. To make hydration easy, carry a water bottle with you and sip steadily throughout the day instead of drinking large amounts at once. Here's the big picture. Macronutrients build your body and give it energy, but micronutrients and hydration make sure every system runs efficiently. Without them, even the best meal plan falls short. So as you plan your meals, think of color and variety. The more natural colors on your plate, the more vitamins and minerals you're giving your body. And don't forget that hydration ties it all together, because when your body is nourished and hydrated, you feel sharper, stronger, and more balanced every single day. In the next lesson, we'll talk about common meal planning myths and uncover what's been holding most people back from eating well consistently.